Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by mounting and establishing a baseline 0. Start now. Tighten the optic rings to spec so the optic won't shift. This prevents changing your 0 later. Level the rifle and optical bubble so the reticle is true to gravity. This reduces cant error when you adjust. Once done, set both elevation and windage turrets to their center positions as your reference. This gives you a repeatable starting point, so every subsequent click means the same correction in the real world. You now course align the optic with the bore and verify on paper. Use a bore sighter or laser to put the reticle roughly on target at 25-50 yards. That saves time and ammo. Then fire a 3-shot group from a solid rest to find the average point of impact. Measure the offset in inches or MOA, then convert that to turret clicks using your optic's click value. Once converted, dial the turrets the calculated number of clicks to bring the group toward center. You finish by fine-tuning and verifying the 0. From a solid rest, fire a 3 to 5 shot confirmation group at your chosen 0 distance. Small last adjustments iron out cant and hold errors. Make parallax and diopter adjustments so the reticle and target are sharp together. This prevents apparent shift at different eye positions. Once centered, record turret settings and double-check after walking the rifle or after 20 rounds to ensure mount stayed stable. If shots wander, recheck torque and mounting as your first troubleshooting step.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.